the flying bird, the flying bird. Who made the flying bird? Our Father God. Who made the swimming fish, the swimming fish, the swimming